One of the things that we do that I missed is hanging out with the kids, okay? So if you're a kid, not a kid at heart, but a kid, okay, you want to come up here and have a seat right here on the floor, we'll do our thing today here, okay? Did you all miss me?
Yes.
No, okay, I knew you wouldn't, okay. Well, it was pretty fun Wednesday night when I got hugs from a lot of you guys. It was awesome, okay? All right, so I've been thinking about this one for a few days, and I'm going to show you this picture, and we'll see what you think about this one. Because it looks like not all of you are in school. Some of you are younger, but many of you are at least at school, homeschool or something, right? Okay, all right. So let's see what this picture brings up in your mind, okay? It's a letter grade from taking what?
A test, maybe.
A test. Doing your work, okay? And I'm thinking about a test, okay? If you get an A plus on the test, that's pretty good, right? What happens if you get one of these? It's just not working there for some reason. All right, we're not working, so did you click out of it? Click on the picture again. There we go. Now, nobody's ever gotten one of those, right? Maybe. Okay. All right. You know, when it comes to a test, whether you get a good grade or a grade that's not so good, it really kind of shows what you know, right? So if a teacher has taught you something and you get a test and you don't do very well on it, do you know it? But if you do really well on it, you know it, right? And sometimes we're given tests just to find out what we do know, okay? Now, here's another picture that goes with this one. I don't know what, there we go, okay. What is that? Gold. Now, can you imagine if we had that much gold? Oh, that'd be pretty crazy, wouldn't it? We share? We share? Okay, yeah. Okay. Now, I got a question for you. What in the world does a test and gold have in common? What?
They're both good things.
They're both good things, okay, yeah. Okay, now, but actually, did you know that in the Bible, God says that he tests us, and it has something to do with gold. Did you know that? I don't know what's going on here, but it's just not working.
Maybe I should press it. Maybe it'll work for me.
I don't know. Can you click it down to the next one? All right. So 1 Peter 1:7 says, so that the tested genuineness of your faith more precious than gold. You know what that verse really means? It means, first of all, that God desires that your faith, he says, your faith is more precious than gold. From his perspective, and as for perspective you need to understand, is that faith is far more precious than even gold. But God also tests you to show you where your faith is at. And that's what we're going to be looking at in the message today, as you guys hear the message and be listening how God actually tests us to show us where our faith is, because he values faith so much. Isn't that pretty cool to think about?
Yeah.
All right. I hope that you all get A pluses in the future. Okay?
I always get A.
Oh, good job. All right. All right. So, all right. Let's give them a hand for helping me out this morning. All right?